back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to active free VPN on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and search VPN. Click on VPN and click on install. After click on install, you will see. After installing, click on open and click on allow. Click on connect, allow. So select country from here. After select country, click on connect, click on OK. After the process, go back to home screen. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on network and internet. Click on VPN. Click on the settings icon and make sure turn on this button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.